Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we have the all new Motorola G7 with us. This is the new mid-range phone from Motorola. Motorola has been missing in action from quite some time now, but it is back with a bang with Moto G7. So today we'll check out the quick look of this Moto G7. Also we'll unbox the device and tell you what all is there in the box. So friends, this is the newly launched Motorola G7. This is how the box packaging looks like, and before opening the box, let's just see the highlights of the phone. We clearly can see that there are two color options, black and white, and I have the white one for the review. I like white color in the Motorola phones, so I opted for this one. Then we can see the camera setup, 12+5 megapixel, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 6.2 inch of Full HD Plus Max Vision display, 3000 mAh of turbo power battery, and 464 GB model. Also it has Dolby audio. So let's just quickly unbox this and see what all are the contents in the box. Okay. So on the top we have the Moto G7, which already is there in a protective case. So here we get this protective case along with the box. Then let's see what else is there. There's a SIM tray opening pin and some paperwork. That is a readme guide and the warranty card. Then comes the charger. This is a turbo power charger. The quality of the charger looks really nice, and the output here is 5 volt 3 ampere or 9 volt 1.6 ampere, 12 volt 1.2 ampere. Then there's just one more content in the box left, which is the C-type charging cable. So friends, this is how the Moto G7 actually looks like. At the back we have this glass kind of panel which looks really premium and classy, and then it is based on this metallic frame, a silver color kind of lining here, which also gives a good premium look again. So on talking on this side, we have the power button, which is like slightly textured. Then the volume rocker, nothing on this side. On the top we have the SIM tray slot, the tray, and the additional secondary mic. At the bottom bar we have the C-type charging port, 3.5 audio jack, and the speaker grill. Camera is a little bumpy in this circular format it is placed with the LED flash. This is the dual camera setup and the Motorola tagging, in which the fingerprint sensor has been placed. Also there is this one more additional mic. We have this earphone and a U-shaped notch, but does not impact the immersive display. It has a 6.2 inch Full HD Plus display, 19.9 is to 9 aspect ratio. So the bezels are like slim, although the chin is a little on the slightly heavy, but not too heavy. The colors look really vibrant and sharp. Touch response is nice. And as we scroll up, I can't see any much bloatware as such here. So as per the security part is concerned, it has both the things, the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. Okay, so the phone has Android 9 Pie and Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor, 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, Adreno 506 GPU. So the processor is like what you generally find in the middle range smartphones. Talking about the battery, it's 3000 mAh, but as I told you, it has a turbo power charger inside the box, and it supports turbo power charging. That means you can get up to 9 hours of battery in just 15 minutes of charge. Also it has USB type C. The phone has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and also the phone has a nano coating which makes it water repellent and scratch resistant as well. On the audio part, it has a Dolby Audio. We all know the Dolby Audio produces like really good sound in output. Talking about the camera part, this is how the interface looks like, and the specs of the camera at the back are 12 megapixel primary sensor, which has a aperture of f1.8 and 5 megapixel of depth sensor. There are modes like photo, video, and portrait, cutout, spot color, cinematograph, panorama, slow-mo, time-lapse, and YouTube live. So I really love the spot color thing. Front camera is 8 megapixel with the screen flash and beauty adjustment, auto, manual, and everything. In the front also you get portrait, spot color, and all these options like group selfie, time-lapse, slow-mo, cinematograph, YouTube live. In the video segment, you can shoot up to 4K videos, 30 FPS. This is also a very good thing that you can, it has EIS, so you can keep the stabilization on and off according to if like, you know, what kind of video you are making. It is a movable video, or you know, you're making at a stagnant place, you can keep it off. So I recently clicked some simple shots from it, like on the first go. So this is a nice shot. You can see I've kept this part as a portrait and it has blurred out everything else. This is the spot color, which I really love, because for this you have to actually use some other apps and all, but it is like inbuilt in this phone. So I've chosen this color, so it is given, you know, made all other things gray and this color pops out. Same goes for this picture. And the detailing from the rear camera is pretty nice. So overall, it's a great phone. It is a good looking device with some nice spec sheet. So it is already started selling on Flipkart as well as Amazon. On Flipkart, you'll get the best buy in around 16,999. Don't forget to take some good offers as well. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with some another tech news and some new mobiles. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wired. Thank you and bye guys.